This is your tutorial on how to book a Bayside Lottery request. You'll go to golfbayside.com and select Book Tee Times. From that screen, you'll scroll down and see that the Bayside Lottery is there to click. This screen, you will enter your username and password as already provided within EasyLinks. You'll see a lottery request button. 28 days out, you will be available to select a lottery. So the first lottery available for us is April 5th. We'll create that request. We will select the playing partners in the member lookup. We will select all playing partners in this lookup if we have people playing. If we have guests, we will select our name 4 times. Next, we'll select the 4th player in the group. All right, we've got all 4 players in the lottery, and we will select our starting time. I want to play around 9:45, but in this next field, I can only play from 9:45 on, so I'll select that. I will press save and continue. Next up, everyone will get a confirmation, and then 14 days out, you will receive your time, and all players will receive their time. Thank you, and live Bayside.